Hello and welcome to Maths Unleashed. Today we will be going through a question written in very similar style to an 11 plus problem. A question all about sweets. Jack is sharing out 25 sweets between him and his two sisters. He gives his younger sister 7 sweets and his older sister twice as many as he gives himself. How many sweets does he receive? My initial thoughts on this question. This is a classic algebra question, so this means we need to make an equation and then solve it. We also have 2 unknowns, how many sweets Jack receives and how many his sister receives. This needs to be the variable. So now we know what to do, let's solve the question. Let's start off by turning these words into algebra. We know he gave his younger sister 7 sweets. We also know that he gave his older sister twice as many as he gave himself, which means if he gave himself S amount of sweets, he gives his older sister 2S. If we add this all together, this will equal to the total amount of sweets. We know this is 25. Now we have an equation here, so let's solve it. We can collect the like terms on the left side and we get 7 plus 3s equals 25. And now we subtract 7 from both sides to get 3s equals 18. And finally, we divide both sides by 3 to get s equals 6. So we know that he got 6 sweets. I hope you now find algebra questions like this a bit easier. So, if you want to watch more videos like this, subscribe and explore the rest of my YouTube channel.